Hello, class. How are you today?
Good.
That's good.
Good.
Does anyone know Chinese before I begin? Yes, Turner?
I think that's 12. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12。
That's very good. Yes, let's begin, Trevor?
You can sing a song!
Okay, sing a song for me. Okay, that's not Chinese. So go sit back down. Okay, next question.
I know 2 words. I know hello and goodbye.
Okay, so, okay, we can, that's good. This is ni hao. And do you know what it means?
Hello and Saigon means goodbye.
That's good. So he says this means hello. Does anyone know what ni means?
No. Hey.
No, ni means you. Okay? And then do you know what how means? Yes?
Hi.
No, it means good. So this is how Chinese people... Yes, this is exactly how Chinese people greet each other. They're like, you good? Which means hello. And like Justin said, he knows the word for goodbye, which is zaijian. That's good. Okay, so does anyone want to write the count?